I know you're eager to see the impressive results our clients have achieved through Handle Properties in 2023. Look no further.
We invested across multiple states and delivered on average a cash on cash return of 80%. Imagine investing $100,000 at the beginning of the year and seeing it grow to $180,000 by the end. I'll say that again. We invested across multiple states, delivering on average a cash on cash return of 80%. So imagine you invested $100,000 at the start of the year, and by the end of the year, it had grown to $180,000. Phenomenal returns like this are rarely seen in the stock market.
What's more, our investments not only yield strong cash flow, but also showcase robust equity growth. Our 2023 properties currently yield over 6% annually, and with projections indicating 7% plus rental returns in the coming year when the rental contracts roll over.
Let's dive into specific success stories. We secured an $800,000 property for a plastic surgeon north of Brisbane in early 2023. Situated on almost 1,200 square meters of land, the property has already appreciated in value to over $960,000 in under 12 months. Our client's initial deposit of 20%, which on this property was $160,000, is now double and worth $320,000, enabling them to leverage this equity to purchase a second property without an additional deposit.
And we also buy properties at the more affordable end. In another instance, we assisted a Sydney couple in securing a robust investment property in Perth in February 2023. We purchased this property for $482,000 with a very, very affordable 10% deposit. The property's value today is now worth $700,000, only 18 months later, which means the initial deposit of $48,000 has ballooned to $266,000, representing a remarkable 550% return on every dollar invested. This equity growth has actually outpaced their salaries over the same period, positioning them perfectly for further investment and financial security.
We also acquired a duplex off market in Perth in August 2023 for $675,000 with a deposit of 20% and a combined rental income of $950 per week. That's a robust 7.3% rental yield, which is massive. And in just under 6 months, the value of this property has gone on to grow to $740,000, which is an impressive growth rate of 9% in 6 months, or annualized, you're looking at close to 20%. This has meant that their deposit of $130,000 has now grown in value to $195,000. Additionally, to make things even better, we expect the rental yield on this property to grow to be in excess of 8% within just a year.
Now, ask yourself, where else can you reliably achieve such returns? Stocks can do this, but most likely it'll be once in a decade. And your next best bet is cryptocurrency, but that requires a lot of sporadic luck. At Handle Properties, we consistently secure these returns through low risk, high quality residential properties. It's through assets you can actually touch and feel.